Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys application error, then this is the right video for you. First, open Microsoft Edge and then search Redistributable C++. Now, go to the first link as shown here. From here, scroll down and click on the link for x86. Then click on Start Download. After that, click on the link for x64. Then click on Start Download. Once it's done, locate the downloaded files on your computer. Now, open the folder. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Install. Now do the same thing for the other file. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.